Hello friends. As we all know that we have to put our work in Google Drive. So today we will learn how to do it easily using a PC. First of all, you have to open your school email ID. As you can see, it is open. Now we have to click on these 9 dots here. It is showing 9 dots into your account and it is showing Google Apps. So first you will click on it, then you will have to choose Drive. Here you can see this Drive option. We'll click on this, then your school email ID Drive will open. Here you have to click on Shared with me. There are few options on your left hand side. You have to click on Shared with me. When you click on it, it will show a folder with your name. A folder which was created by your teacher will appear. When you click on this folder, I have double clicked on this folder. It will open. Now this folder is empty. We have to put subfolders into it. And this is also very simple. For this, first of all, you have to right click on your mouse. When I right clicked, it will show these options. From there, you have to choose new folder. New folder, then it will appear like this. You have to press backspace and you can type your folder's name. Like if I have to put June work, so I'll put June and then I'll click on create. And you can see a folder named June will appear. This is a subfolder under your named folder. Okay. Now, similarly, if you want to create one more folder, so I will again show you how to do that. Just right click on your mouse in the empty space, then you will click on new folder. You can type July and then you will click on create. One more folder will appear named July. Okay, now if I want to put my holiday homework into June, I will click on it, and to drop files here, what we can do, we will go to new. Here you can see this option new, drive, just below the drive. New, when you click on it, it will show you have to upload file or folder. So we will click on file upload. When you click on it, it will take you to these files which are there into your PC. So I have saved my file on desktop and the name is Hindi pronouns. So I'll double click on it and it is showing uploading, and see, it is uploaded. Right. Now you need not to do anything. You can just exit from here. So this was how you can upload. I'll show you one more time. You will click on new, click on file upload, and if you have saved it on desktop, like I have saved this image, so I'll double click on that image and it will be uploaded. Wait till it is uploaded and now you can exit. If you want to create subfolders, like in July you have to create 4 folders, so you will click on it. You will again enter into that folder. You can see you are into July folder, as you can see above. Now you will right click, new folder. You will type here like English, so English, English you will type and you will say create. So now you have created one English folder. Now let's check. This was your folder. When you click on it, two folders which you created are showing there, and in July I have created English folder, so it is there. Now if I want to put files in English folder, I'll click on it, and same way in English folder I'll put new, and then we can put the files similarly. Right? Hope you all understood how to put files in your drive. If in case of any doubt, you can ask your class teacher. Thank you.